Hey guys, I spent a few hours on Tuesday cleaning up my starter. I know it doesn't look clean, but it is clean on the inside. Took the whole thing apart, did a little inspection on it. It seems to be in pretty decent shape, actually. The biggest problem is this wire that's been severely critically damaged. And as I was trying to take the nuts off, it's probably hard to see for you, but this little connection right here was damaged. And overall, I figured it was better just to replace the whole unit. Start with something not new, but at least newer. So I went out, got myself a new starter. It's a clean little unit. Put the old one up here so you can see them side by side. And all I got to do is pop the new one in, and I'll be good to go. Problem is, on Tuesday, it was about 12 to 15 degrees. Comfortable working temperature. The snow was all melting. I could roll around on my little creeper over there and not have to worry about 2 or 3 inch deep snow. Wednesday, it snowed a lot. It snowed a good 8 inches. Well, I should say it drifted to as much as 8 inches. Overall, I'd say it's like maybe 4. But well, look on the side of my truck there. That's at least 7-8 inches right there on the truck. So, starter's not going in for at least another week. Last week I promised I would look at the little air compressor starter thing that I have. So I just wanted to give you an update on my starter, and then I'm going to go inside and I'll show you that. So there it is. Wasn't really able to find much information on it, but it's just got 2 jumper cables. It's got a compressor. It's got a light, and unfortunately, it didn't come with the didn't come with the charger for it. So I've had to scrounge up something. The charger I have is only 9 volts, and of course it's a 12 volt system, so it's not going to fully charge it. I do have a battery charger, but I can't get to it at the moment. But hopefully this week sometime I'll be able to put the big battery charger on it. As it is right now, it's not holding a charge very well. You see, if I press this, little light charging comes on. Take the charger out, no light. And I've set it up here so that it's connected to my multimeter. Turn the master switch on if I can get it. Okay. And I'll show you. See, that's the 9 volt output. That's what's coming off that wall wart right there. And then as soon as I take this out, you'll see 3 volts, 2.8, 2.7. So it just plummets. But I did notice one thing. When I first got it, I tested the voltage, and it was sitting right around half a volt, which could potentially mean the battery is it's no good anymore. Um, but this multimeter shows it leveling off around 1.2. So I'm thinking that maybe the battery's okay, and it's just that the charger is not putting out as much amperage as it would need to in order to keep this thing charged. So I'm actually going to bring the car charger, hook it up, probably run it on 2 amps, just a low charge, and see what that does over the course of a couple days. So that'll be it for now, and next week will be the other half of these two halves. I'll put in, oh, sorry, I'll put in my starter, and we'll see how this thing works. So you guys have yourselves a good day.